I can charge this without any wires. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you have an iPhone like this and it has MagSafe, you might not be able to see it there. This little bad boy has a magnet in it so I can connect it to things like a charger. Well, you might want to check out this. I picked this up because this is a power bank, 10,000 milliamp hours, which should be very capable. It's actually by Colorful, I think is kind of what they were going for. I guess I should start with this because it fell out. It is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable right there, so it does come with that. And then inside we have the charger here. So it's a very small power bank, but what I was really intrigued by is that it has a few features that I'm looking for. First of all, you can see that it has the design of the MagSafe there and the indexer right there. So like I said, if I put that on there, stuck on there, it's magnets, and it seems like it's on there very well. Even though this has a little bit of weight, obviously for a battery, man, that is not coming off. So I don't think you have to worry about that just falling off. It's actually a rounded edge. Sometimes these have like a very square edge, so this feels actually really good in the hand. It actually kind of looks like a small like travel suitcase or Halliburton briefcase, something like that. Some ridges on the back here, obviously smooth on this side, like gunmetal gray. Now I do want to show you here that on the bottom we have a USB port, so you can actually use this just like a regular power bank, charge other things that use a regular USB cord, your earbuds, your headphones, those types of things. Then you have a USB-C plug right there, and that's how you would charge this little bad boy up. Power button right there. Now I do want to show you on this side, this is where it kind of gets interesting. Right here we actually have a little flip out kickstand. So what I could do here, and why I was kind of intrigued by this, is not only could I charge up my phone, but I could actually put it down like this, so it's actually in landscape mode. So if I'm on an airplane, a train, commuting, something like that, something that is going to use a lot of battery, I don't have to worry about it because I have this battery pack on there, but it's also holding it up at an angle where I can watch, consume my content, you know, very nicely. Now, because it flips down like this, it doesn't seem to have enough strength to put it in a portrait mode. So it's really a landscape only mode. So, you know, it's not everything to everyone, but I think it's good enough, especially for the way I want to use this. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is that we have a little display right there. So if I hit this power button right here, turn that on, what you can see is that it says 67%. And what I love about that is we have a little percentage sign right there too. Because I will say that on some of these, even though they have a display, which I like, you can't tell digitally sometimes what the percentage is. I've seen it where it's like, I'm not sure if it's like 98% or 86%, and so I love the fact that it has a little percentage sign right there, and it has that little green LED saying that it's on. So you can see here, we need to charge this bad boy up. But I do want to see here, now that I have it on, I do want to put it on my phone here and see if it will charge it up. Oh, look at that. And in fact, I get the big circular charging signal right there. So it means it's really Apple compatible, which is really super cool. So not only can I see the state of charge on this bad boy, but obviously it's charging it up. Take it off again, put it back on. Very nice. No wires, you don't have any cords. You know, on power banks of yore, I used to have to plug in this cord, and then it was kind of torquing the battery pack, kind of twisting it one way or the other. You had this thing hanging off. You wanted to be careful that you didn't bend it, break it off in there, kind of screw up the charging port, those types of things. So I love this. So this is something where not only can I continue to use this like a regular phone, I can put it down on the table. I don't have it looking like I'm actually charging it up, and then I can just peel it off if I need to use this or something like that. Especially if you're shooting videos, taking photos, consuming video, those types of things are all very power intensive and can drain a lot of power. So the way you can take an iPhone and add 10,000 milliamp hours of power is to get a wireless charging power bank like this. It's simple, convenient, small, easy to use, and adds a little more functionality. So you want peace of mind that your phone isn't going to die on you, and you want to watch all those Peter Von Panda videos, I'll put a link to this little bad boy in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.